In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture on Facebook Messenger. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to update your Messenger photo by changing your Facebook profile picture on the desktop site, and you'll understand how the changes roll out across your chats. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account as you normally would. Make sure you're on the correct profile before you continue, since the photo you set here will represent you in Messenger conversations as well. Once you're on Facebook, look to the top right of the page and click your current profile picture. A small menu will appear. From there, click your name to go straight to your profile page. This brings you to the place where your main profile photo lives and where you can make the change that Messenger will use. On your profile page, move your mouse over your profile picture. When you hover, a small camera icon should appear on or near the photo. Click that camera icon to open your profile photo options. This is the central control for swapping in a new picture or choosing something you've already uploaded. You'll now see options to upload photo or to choose one from your existing photos on Facebook. If you select upload photo, pick an image from your computer. For the best results, choose a clear, well-lit picture where your face is centered. Square images or photos with extra space around your head tend to crop more cleanly. If you prefer to reuse something you've posted before, choose from your existing photos and select the one you want. After selecting the photo, use the on-screen tools to adjust it. You can usually drag the image to reposition it and use a zoom slider to get the framing just right. Keep in mind that your profile picture often appears in a circular frame, so make sure important parts of the image aren't near the edges where they could be cropped out. When it looks good, click Save to confirm the change. That's it. Because Facebook Messenger pulls your profile image directly from your Facebook account, this update automatically becomes your Messenger picture as well. It may take a short moment to show everywhere, especially across different devices and existing chats, but it will update without any extra steps from you. Thanks for watching. If this helped, you're all set with a fresh look on both Facebook and Messenger.